What is your name?
My name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I am from Italy.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I enjoy novels.
Do you watch TV shows?
Sometimes I do.
Have you been to Paris?
No, not yet.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Japan.
How do you travel to work?
I go by bus.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Have you been to the beach?
Yes, many times.
Is it sunny today?
No, it's cloudy.
Do you like rainy weather?
Yes, I do.
What's the temperature?
It's 25 degrees.
Is it snowing outside?
No, it's not.
How's the weather there?
It's warm and pleasant.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like it.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Does she play tennis?
Yes, she plays tennis.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs.
Do they live nearby?
Yes, they live next door.
Does he drive to work?
No, he takes the bus.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Where do you study?
I study at home.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, in the evening.
What does she cook?
She cooks pasta.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I do.
Where does he park his car?
He parks it outside.
Do they visit often?
Yes, every weekend.
What do you do on Sundays?
I relax.
Does it rain here often?
Yes, it does.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go daily.
Does she read books?
Yes, she loves reading.
What do you drink?
I drink tea.
Q. Do they have pets?
Yes, they have a dog.
Where does he work?
He works in a bank.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
Does she sing well?
Yes, she sings beautifully.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
Do they play football?
Yes, every Saturday.
Where do you shop?
I shop at the mall.
Does he speak French?
Yes, he speaks it fluently.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do.
What does she like?
She likes flowers.
Do they come here often?
Yes, they do.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
Did you see the movie?
Yes, I saw it.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate pasta.
Did you call your mom?
Yes, I called her.
Who helped you?
My friend helped me.
Did you finish your work?
Yes, I finished it.
Where did you study?
I studied at home.
Did you go shopping?
Yes, I went shopping.
What did you buy?
I bought shoes.
Did you enjoy the party?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Who cooked dinner?
My mom cooked it.
Did you drive to work?
No, I took the bus.
What did you watch on TV?
I watched the news.
Did you read the book?
Yes, I read it.
Where did you sleep?
I slept at home.
Did you talk to Sarah?
No, I didn't talk to her.
Who cleaned the house?
I cleaned it. Did you visit your grandma?
Yes, I visited her.
What did you drink? I drank coffee.
Did you write the report?
Yes, I wrote it.
Did you fix the car?
No, I didn't fix it.
Who called you?
John called me.
Did you dance at the party?
Yes, I danced.
Where did you find this?
I found it at the store.
Did you listen to music?
Yes, I listened to it.
What did you wear?
I wore a dress.
Did you paint the wall?
Yes, I painted it.
Did you win the game?
No, I lost it.
Where did you have breakfast?
I had it at home.
Did you open the window?
Yes, I opened it.
Who broke the glass?
The cat broke it.
Did you take your medicine?
Yes, I took it.
Where did you park the car?
I parked it outside.
Did you enjoy your trip?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Did you feed the dog?
Yes, I fed him.
What did you do yesterday?
I cleaned the house.
Did you bring your book?
No, I forgot it.
Who taught the class?
Mr. Smith taught it.
Did you swim in the pool?
Yes, I swam for an hour.
Did you fix the chair?
Yes, I fixed it.
What did you learn?
I learned French.
Did you call your boss?
Yes, I called him.
Did you bake a cake?
No, I didn't bake one.
Who sang at the concert?
Mary sang beautifully.
Where did you put my bag?
I put it on the chair.
Did you enjoy the beach?
Yes, it was lovely.
Did you watch the game?
Yes, it was exciting.
Who watered the plants?
Gardener watered the plants.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it.
What did you eat for dinner?
I ate pizza.
Did you wash the dishes?
Yes, I washed them.
Where did you go last night?
I went to a party.
Did you meet anyone new?
Yes, I met John.
What did you talk about?
We talked about work.
Did you call the plumber?
No, I forgot.
Who told you the news?
Sarah told me.
Did you close the door?
Yes, I closed it.
What did you buy at the mall?
I bought a jacket.
Did you laugh at the joke?
Yes, it was funny.
Who drove you to the station?
My brother drove me.
Did you send the email?
Yes, I sent it.
What did you see at the zoo?
I saw lions and tigers.
Did you enjoy the zoo?
Yes, it was amazing.
Did you take any photos?
Yes, I took a lot.
Who helped you move?
My friends helped me.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, I cleaned it.
Did you fix your bike?
No, I couldn't fix it.
What did you find in the drawer?
One found some old photos.
Did you answer the phone?
Yes, I answered it.
Who opened the door?
Jake opened it.
Did you read the newspaper?
Yes, I read it this morning.
Where did you park your bike?
I parked it near the store.
Did you enjoy the meal?
Yes, it was delicious.
Who paid the bill?
I paid it.
Did you visit the museum?
Yes, it was interesting.
Did you miss the bus?
No, I caught it on time.
Who won the competition?
Sarah won it.
Did you hear the music?
Yes, it was loud.
Where did you go after work?
I went to the gym.
Did you like the movie?
Yes, it was great.
What did you drink last night?
I drank juice.
Did you lose your wallet?
No, I found it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.